Hello, I welcome you to Titanium Studio courses. My name is Navid Valizadeh and I am Senior Weapon Artist with 8 years of experience. In this fully narrated 7 hours course, you will learn how to create a mid-poly optimized pipe hammer from scratch and step by step. We start by creating the blockout mesh and final optimized mesh in Maya. Then we establish UVs using Maya own UV tools without any other external UV software, creating believable realistic textures using Substance 3D Painter from scratch, and finally render using Marmoset Tool by 4. So if you want to learn how to create optimized weapon, enroll now and take your skills to next level.